Namaskar. Under e-office file management system, we will discuss today pullback option that comes one icon in last of any sent file or receipt that I described in one of my old video. I think that was receipt or file management system video it was. I showed their icon of pullback and told that we can again call this back in our inbox after sending it to someone if and only if the receiver has not read it. As earlier only told about this option but not shown it how it works, so I'm going to do it live in this video to check if really it works or it fails to do it. So we will do live pullback. Okay. So now first I will open any browser. So I have opened Chrome, whereas I always tell the e-office work we should do in Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox ESR version. The reason of choosing Chrome as it is my favorite browser, and secondly, I not need to do any digital signature anywhere. So no Java dependent activity to be done. So let's type demo URL in the browser as always, typing demo.mpeoffice.gov.in, and then I will press enter. Let the login screen come. uh, Let it get opened. This is our login screen. It is a test or demo version. I'm taking two users for this demo for understanding the flow. See if there are two officials A and B, whatever their designation is, A have any role or B have any role, and if A is sending to B, then A have option of pull back the file. This is not like that particular role official can only pull back the file which is sent. Okay, so I'm taking first as office superintendent, call as Adhikshak in collectorate setups. So his login ID I'm typing. Then first let me enter the user ID of office superintendent. Then I will enter password and then come and click to login. Mm, Taking time to open next screen. Maybe internet speed is issue. Let's get it open. So mm, it is taking a time. Okay, so it has come as usual. I will go to file management system link. I have clicked on this link. Let me stop the recording and will come again when next screen comes to save time. So this screen has come now. This is inbox of office superintendent. I can start from receipt and create new receipt and then do put in file. But to save time, I directly go for creation of file. So I go and click on create new non-SFS option I'm searching. Yeah. Okay. Non-SFS I have described it in old video. You can see if you don't know this. Now fastly randomly I select in these drop downs. Establishments, then selecting recruitment. I will select recruitment here. Then again recruitment one and leave the other fields here. Here office of collector. Okay. Subject we can write in Hindi as well as discussed in Unicode font, but as I create English versions of Hindi videos, so I will write here in English so that all can understand. Okay, so I will write recruitment related test file. Okay, below in main category not necessary, just selecting establishment matters. Okay, sub nothing is given, it's okay. Language I am keeping English, you may select Hindi, no issue in that, it is very simple thing. In remarks I will, you can select any. In remarks then I will write urgent test. Okay, it is fine. If you want to give previous or later references can be given, we have discussed this a lot in old videos. Let's move further and click on continue working button below. One file number got generated and message that want to proceed or not. As usual, clicking on OK to proceed. So one file created and will show in next screen. See, now this screen has come, you know it very well. Okay, in left add green note, add yellow note, we will not discuss that here. Do one thing, click on these lines. Okay, these three lines, what it is showing here, the menu. If it gets hide, options of menu will come here. So come in files tab and then created and inside that completed one. Okay, the list of files will come in a while. let it get open. I've clicked on this completed, let it get open. Yeah, see first record. It is our electronic file. The subject is recruitment related test file and related to establishment matter. Means the same file is available here, right? Now I need to send it to someone. I can open the file and then send it from there, but as no need to write on note sheet or do any attachment, so just click on the checkbox and click on the send link. It is showing that it is having blank note, want to send or not. We know it is blank, no issue, just click on OK button. If it would have to write anything, then cancel it, so click on OK button for now. It will now open the sending details screen in a while. So this screen has come. As usual, we need to enter someone details and below not asking for digital signature, as digital signature is not inserted, and in this login no registration of DSC is done. Now in 2, let me send it to some OIC like deputy collector. We can directly type detail of deputy collector or can take from contact list if it is saved. So I'm clicking on to link. Here showing preferred, here showing preferred list groups, but we go in contacts tab. Here some roles are showing. Let me select deputy collector. Okay, and I'm closing this pop-up now. So here it came. If I want to notify through email or SMS, I can then select these. He will get notified in email and SMS if mobile number and email ID is mapped. Email ID is mapped by default, but for SMS, mobile number must be there. Select due date below randomly. 25th July 2020 is okay. I think given so much time, changing it to 20th July. Anything for demo. In action, anything putting for approval. In priority, for approval. In priority, keeping most immediate. In remark, writing test remark. Remark test remark. Okay. Remark can be of 1,000 letters, a lot of given. Now click on the send button below. Okay. Now click on it. It must have sent and can be seen in the sent link. See, it moved from here, and in sent link, just click on it. Sent, yeah. Let it get open. See, it is on the top. Same subject, sent to deputy collector. Initiate action. We can initiate any action on it, but our purpose of video is this icon, pull back. I can pull back, then we will not be able to know if it came to deputy collector's login or not. By default, it must went there naturally. Let me log in from other browser with deputy collector's login credential and see there it came or not. And if it is there and we read it, then from here this pullback option gets removed or not. So in Mozilla Firefox, I will open the deputy collector login. So I'm going to Mozilla Firefox. Yeah, here in this login screen, I will enter deputy collector's credentials. That is username and password. I will write user ID first, then password, and click on this login button. I think wrong password I entered. I am again entering. Again I will enter carefully. User ID first, then password, and then click on this login link. Now on next screen, file management system link will come. Let it go open. Yeah, it got opened. Let us see. Click on it. File management system. Let the inbox come. Yeah, it is opening. Okay. Yes, this file is here for which we came to this login, recruitment related test file, right? Let's open it once fastly. Click on this file number. Okay, clicking on this file number, it is opening. Let it get opened first. Okay, it opened, no note in it, no problem. We will still see office superintendent has sent on 18th July at 1:31 p.m. right? Now from here we can send it to someone or send back to the sender, but nothing to do. Our purpose was just to open it once. Now we again will go to the office superintendent login to see what if there is still pullback option available or not, as we have opened this file in the receiver end. Let's go there. So in office superintendent login, I came again after stopping the recorder, and I again logged in as already sent item screen was opened, so it will not make clear to you, or if we can do refresh there to see the icon is available or not. So I logged in again, you just do refresh, then also it will do. So here I'm again going to send link. See how on this file, see on this file now pullback option is not available anymore. So as we discussed, that pullback option will be activated till only the officer or next person whom it has been sent has not seen it or read it by opening it. So we saw live this regarding pullback. Now fastly again we create new file with same process. Click create, below non-SFS, non-FS, yes. This time we will not log in into Dipty Collector login to see the file in inbox, and will click on pullback icon to see what happens. Here take randomly like welfare, then general staff welfare something, then miscellaneous, leave others. In description writing welfare test, welfare test, is it okay? Then in category, in main, general I will select. Then in language I will keep it English. In remarks I'm writing uh, test welfare, and directly go to continue working button and click on it, then okay. So new file will be generated for sure. This file opened, let it get opened, it will open here in a while. Not doing anything in it. Let's go to files and create, let's go to again file tab and create and completed link. We will get this welfare related file here in a while. Yeah, it is here, welfare test. Let's select and fastly click on send. Click on OK, and then that I want to send, then click on, let it get opened. Now click on to link, then in context select Dipty Collector once again, and can send anyone else also, no issue in that. Clicking on send, I did not fill any other details except two fields, still it has sent, as others are non-mandatory. Okay, right. Let's now come to send link, that what it is there. Now click on the send. Yes, let it come here. Let it get opened. Yeah, see it is on the top. Now I will not go to Dipty Collector login, and will do pullback here to see what happens. Remember this computer number will not be helpful. This B-11015, let me copy this file number and open a wordpad. Yeah, it is open. Let me paste here the file number. Now click on this pullback. It will ask for some reason, give some reason for pullback. We can write wrongly sent. Okay, any reason, it is up to you. Maybe file was not to be sent, or sent to a wrong person or wrong official. So I want to pull back, a file was not complete as I have not entered anything in note sheet. Any reason I mean. So here wrongly sent, and click on OK. Let's see what happens to this file then. Let's first go to Dipty Collector login now. Before, if you notice, this file is currently showing in sent item. Pullback option we have used. Note it is showing in sent. Here same computer number. Okay, sent in the same computer number, you can see 7705. Then same file number, same subject, you will see. In sent to, it is written Dipty Collector. Some may get confused that if it is sent to Dipty Collector and we pulled back it, then how it is showing here. Notice here that currently with Office Superintendent, Office of Collector, means file got returned here. File created before this is currently with Dipty Collector. Also in this file, after pullback, we will show in inbox of file also. It will not show in completed, as may be expected by some, as communication has not been done once. So see in completed, see it is not here. This one is some other file. Okay, so this will show in sent and inbox also. Notice this, I'm showing sent one again, and currently with will clear to us that with whom it is, like office superintendent in this case. So this is about pullback. Now we will move to Deputy Collector login to see what is there for us. In Deputy Collector login in Mozilla, click on inbox. See here, for welfare related file will not show, will show. See, it is not available here, right? This recruitment related, which is old file, means new one must have come here but got returned back to sender on pullback. I am finishing this topic here now. I have not shown pullback file in inbox of the office superintendent. It will be there for you. You may check in your system, no problem, must be there. So if you feel this video was useful, if you find any problem in it, you may comment below. I will try to resolve it. Comments are very less, so I'm not understanding if it is getting used, if it is useful or not useful for you people. So if your comments and will come, I will be happy that people are seeing it. Okay, then I'm finishing this video. Thank you.